Hi, I'm Adam. How to use Butler automation in Trello. As you can see that I have two lists, one for John and one for Alan in my Trello board. So I want to add an automation on the Alan list. What I have to do is I will click on the automation on the top right corner. Now I have multiple options for automation, for example, rules, buttons, and email reports. I will use rules for today's demonstration. So I will click on rules. On this page, I will select create automation. To create an automation, our first step is to add a trigger. So click on add trigger. You can set any trigger. For example, for today's video, I will set the trigger when a card is added to a list. I will select the list name of Alan by myself. So I will select by me, or you can also select by anyone or a specific person. And now I will click the plus button. Now we have to select an action. If the trigger is triggered, what we want to do in the automation. There are so many tabs for moving, add, removing, dates, checklists. I will select the members and my action will be adding a member. So I will select add a member at the rate of. I will select a username from my Trello board. I want this person added to my list whenever a card is added to the Alan list. And then I will click the plus button. It will show you an overview of what the trigger will do and what action will be performed. If the trigger and the action is satisfactory to you, you can click on save. Now we have successfully created our first automation in Trello. Now let me show you a demo of how it works. I will drag the Alan list to the John list. So my Alan list is now empty. Now I will add something again to the Alan list. I will again drag and drop from John to Alan. Once something is added to the Alan list, our new user has been automatically added with the help of our automation. If I select on add a card, enter any name for this card. For example, I will type edit the 4K footage and I will add the card. Once a new card is added, you can see our member is automatically added to the list again. And everything is happening with the help of the automation that we have just made. And that's how you can use a Butler automation in Trello. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.